Let's go to the crypto space now. First of all, looking at some of those top stories. Bitcoin, of course, is on the top of that. It regains its 1 trillion market cap as cryptocurrency hits over a 2-year high. If we could have the top news first, the Bitcoin has regained that $1 trillion market cap in circulation. The value of all Bitcoin in circulation, that's the market cap for today, rose above 1 trillion, and that's the first time since 2021. Remember yesterday, or was it 2 days ago, it did hit $50,000 since 2021. I can't believe it's been 2021, but that's a big one for the crypto market at this time. Another top news is the Repo is set to buy New York crypto trust company to expand U.S. options. So Ripple is in the news again. The acquisition plan will grab a company with New York trust charter and will expand the business it's allowed to conduct in the U.S. And potentially letting it move beyond its well-known role as payment network. And I think still in the United States now, the Treasury official urges Congress for more power against crypto crime, to win investors' confidence. The United States Treasury has expressed concerns regarding crypto in illicit finance. And the Treasury is under Secretary for Terrorism and Financial Intelligence, Brian Nelson, emphasized this request in his prepared statement for a congregational hearing. Now let's go back to the big news, which is that crypto, there you have it, the crypto market cap beyond 1 trillion naira. And I think we have joining us for this conversation is Gilbert. Gilbert, hi Gilbert, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon and happy Valentine's Day.
I wish you the same, Gilbert. I don't see your red though.
My coffee cup though is red.
Okay. Well, Bitcoin decided to celebrate, give us a good celebration this Valentine. The market cap has exceeded 1 trillion since 2021. We've been waiting for this.
Yeah, I think the time we have been waiting for is almost here. And I like this conversation because it's more like a follow-up on the last conversation we had, which in that conversation, you told me most persons were expecting Bitcoin to break down to 30. And then I validated that with a couple of market structure that was available to play, which one was the inverse head and shoulder, which is a reversal pattern, and also the bullish spinner. And so, yes, the market has become overly interesting, but then it was quite anticipated for those who really understand market structure and price action, and then more of triangle trading. Because I really see these things more like, fundamental investors always leave their trail. They leave what they are doing for technical investors to pick their trail. And that was why we're able to capture this. And then the market is responding accordingly too.
So do you see this as a bull run, or is it a dead cat's jump and then we'll be back to our retreat?
Okay, very interesting enough. They are giving levels that we want people to pay attention to. First of all, 16, 17K was market bottom. At 24K, I remember I've had this conversation here before. I was like, this is the beginning of a bull run. I say, yes, not your typical runway bull market, but the beginning of a bull run. And that 24K was also the level where institutional investors began entering into the market. And so if the market has moved 24 hold down to about 50, what was such a rally? This is typically how a bull market runs. We have major buys, momentum is built, and then we have more upside surge and then less pullback. This is actually what the bull market is, and we are experiencing the bull market. Understand that most persons rather think a blow off top is rather a bull market. That is after the Bitcoin have surpassed its former all-time high. But the thing is, if that is the time any investor out there is coming into the market, you have lost your margin of safety, especially if you already experience all your skill and you're still on the sidelines. It means you're going to FOMO into the market the same way every novice trader who knows little or nothing about the market will be doing. So this is actually a bull market. Yes, not your typical runway bull market, but then the typical runway bull market is just here around the corner.
All right, Gilbert. I'm sure a lot of investors will be happy, but a bull market doesn't mean that you would just jump into it and make profit. You have to customize your moves. Thank you so much, Gilbert.
Knowledge, skill, and an investment plan.
Exactly. You need an investment plan. All right, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. So that's it on the program. Thank you so much for being a part of Business Incorporated today. Well, good news for the crypto investors, good news for the NGX, but I mean, be very watchful. That's it. Thank you so much. Let's do it again tomorrow, 10 a.m. I'll be back on Business Morning during a Sunrise Daily, and we'll do another round of business. I'm Mini John Wakwa. Enjoy the rest. Enjoy your Valentine.